Guys, this hot like fire. Yo, 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 yo. What's up, what's up, what's up? Chef Young D right here. If you want to see how I prepare this very creamy white sauce chicken lasagna with spinach, just stick around now. I will show you right after the break. Welcome back, guys. As you can see from my thumbnail, today I'll be preparing a very creamy white sauce chicken lasagna with spinach. So right here I have 900 grams of ground chicken that I'm going to use. Also I have a medium onion, 4 cloves of garlic, my lasagna noodles, and all the other ingredients I'm going to use. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and finally chop my garlic, right? Shaolin style. Oh my, must have said Chef Young D now, no sensey. Alright, so this can work. I'm gonna start with my onion. Guys, bomb beat. Yo, the onion a bomb na me eye. No sir. Guys, me I cry. I'm crying right now. I swear. Alright. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start the cooking process. So now I'm gonna start preparing my ground chicken. First, I'm gonna start by adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm just gonna allow it to hot. Now I'm gonna add my ground chicken. Guys, make sure you break it up, right? Because you don't want it to come together. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Also gonna add some chicken seasoning. Also gonna add ½ teaspoon of salt. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it all in. You're just gonna continue stir and break along the way, right? Just ensure that it doesn't stuck together. And you're gonna do this for about 5 minutes, right? And then take it off. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, this is what my chicken is looking like. And now we're gonna go ahead and take it out, right? Put it into a container. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn my stove down to medium heat, right? And in the same pot I fried the chicken into, right? I'm just gonna add 100 grams of butter. I'm now gonna go in with my garlic. Also my onion. just gonna saute my garlic and onion for about 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour. Make sure you mix it in, right? And you also gonna stir this flour until it's become like lightly golden. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of chicken broth. Also gonna add 2 cups of half and half. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of oregano. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of dry basil leaf. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. Also gonna add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Also gonna add half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Now I'm gonna add my spinach. And guys, I actually went off camera and cut up 142 grams of spinach, just to make the video a little shorter, right? So I'm just gonna add my spinach now. Guys, it may seem like a lot, but trust me, as soon as the heat catch it, it's gonna shrink, right? So as soon as it shrink, right, as soon as the leaf quail, you can go ahead and turn the stove off. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start making my ricotta cheese mixture. Right, and I have 475 grams of ricotta cheese right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 eggs. Also gonna add half cup of mozzarella cheese. Also gonna add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Also gonna add 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley. Now I'm gonna mix it all together. Alright guys, so here I have my ricotta cheese mixture. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my lasagna noodles. But first I'm gonna throw some of my white sauce in the bottom of the pan, right? And just spread it around so that my lasagna noodle don't stick. Right? Like that. Alright. And guys, I already went off camera and placed my lasagna noodles to boil, right? Just make sure when you're boiling the lasagna noodles, you don't cook them fully. Just make them boil and firm to the bite, right? So, same thing. Then I'm gonna add 1 more right here. So that's 4, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 down this side, right? But I'm gonna break this one, right? Just fill this empty gap right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my ricotta cheese mixture. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some chicken. Just gonna sprinkle it all over, right? Now some more white sauce. And guys, I already went off camera and placed my oven to preheat 375 degrees, right? I think I'm gonna use a spoon. I think it's easier to use a spoon than use the ladle, right? Now I'm gonna add one more layer of lasagna noodles. I'm just gonna put a piece right here. And I add some more ricotta cheese mixture. Some chicken. Some more of that white sauce. And I'm going to repeat the process with my lasagna noodles. Now I'm going to add my remaining white sauce all over the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle 2 cups of mozzarella cheese all over the top. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven for 45 minutes with the foil on. Alright guys, so after 45 minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the foil off, right? And guys, this is what it's looking like now. Look at it. Oh, look. Alright, so I'm just gonna place it back in the oven. Alright. And I'm just gonna put my stove on broil and let it broil for about 3 minutes. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like after it's finished browning. Look at it. That nice golden cheese crust. Wow. Oh, look. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a slice and show you what it's looking like. Guys, this hot like fire. Look at it guys. So here are the finishing product of my creamy white sauce chicken lasagna with spinach. Oh, look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I will sure be tasting this right now. Wow, nice. All right guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little taste test for y'all. Wow, this is so creamy and cheesy. Watch it. Jesus, I can't make it off. There's a little crust of the cheese or something. You know, look across there. Wow. Guys, this is magnificent. Jesus, peace. You need to try this. You need to try this ASAP. Trust me, this is the best lasagna I've ever tasted. I swear. Wow. Magnificent. Wow. Guys, look how creamy this looks. Watch out. Watch out. Oh my word. Watch out, guys. Look here. This is not creamy. Look on the cheese that stretch. Watch out. Try this recipe. Try this recipe. Trust me. This is off the chain. You are. I'm gonna finish my one now. So we catch up on next time, yeah? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Just hit that notification bell below to keep up to date with all the latest videos each and every week. So until then, take care. I'm out.